Video games have always been about pushing boundaries. From the earliest days, developers and gamers alike have sought to expand the horizons of what is possible in a virtual world. From the early days of pixelated adventures, where simple graphics and basic gameplay mechanics captured our imaginations, to today's sprawling online worlds, we've come a long way. These vast digital landscapes allow players from all over the globe to connect, compete and collaborate in ways that were once unimaginable. But something extraordinary is happening. The gaming industry is on the cusp of a revolution, one that promises to transform our experiences in ways we are only beginning to understand. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game, literally. This technology is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that is reshaping the very fabric of gaming. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's here, and it's making our games smarter, richer, and more fun than ever before. With AI, game characters can exhibit behaviors and responses that are more lifelike and unpredictable. Imagine stepping into a game world where every character, every creature feels truly alive. These AI-driven entities can adapt to your actions, creating a dynamic and immersive experience that evolves with each playthrough. They react to your choices, learn from your strategies, and challenge you in ways you never thought possible. This level of interaction brings a new depth to gameplay, making each decision you make feel significant. This is the promise of AI in gaming. It's about creating worlds that are not just visually stunning, but also intellectually stimulating and emotionally engaging. AI is like a secret ingredient that developers are using to create experiences that are more immersive, more engaging, and more personal. It allows for the creation of narratives that can change based on player choices, making each gaming experience unique. But it's not just about making games look and feel different. AI is revolutionizing the way games are developed, enabling creators to build more complex and responsive worlds. AI is changing the way we play, the way we interact with virtual worlds, and even the way we connect with each other through games. Voice commands and other AI-driven features are making games more accessible and intuitive. In this new age of gaming, the line between reality and the virtual world is blurring, and it's all thanks to the power of AI. Augmented reality and virtual reality are merging, creating experiences that are both immersive and interactive. Get ready to explore the exciting possibilities of AI in gaming, where the only limit is our imagination. The future of gaming is bright, and it's being shaped by the incredible advancements in AI technology. So gear up and dive into this new era of gaming, where every adventure is more thrilling, every challenge more rewarding, and every moment more unforgettable. One of the most significant impacts of AI in gaming is on non-player characters, or NPCs. Remember the days when enemies would follow predictable patterns, making them easy targets for seasoned players? Those days are fading fast.
AI-powered NPCs are changing the way we experience games. Instead of mindless drones, we now face opponents that think, learn, and adapt. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is the magic behind these intelligent NPCs. By analyzing massive amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns in player behavior. This allows developers to create enemies that can anticipate your moves, exploit your weaknesses, and even surprise you with new tactics.
Imagine facing a boss in an RPG that learns your fighting style as you battle it, countering your every move and forcing you to think outside the box. This level of sophistication adds a whole new dimension of challenge and excitement to gaming. No two encounters are ever the same, and players are constantly kept on their toes.
But AI's role in shaping our gaming experience goes beyond just making enemies tougher. It's about creating a more believable and dynamic virtual world where every interaction feels meaningful and engaging.
Imagine exploring a vast open-world game where the environment feels truly alive. Every corner of this digital universe is teeming with life, and every element within it is designed to react to your presence in a way that feels both organic and immersive. Birds flock overhead, reacting to your movements. As you walk through a forest, you might see a flock of birds suddenly take flight, startled by your approach. This isn't just a scripted event, it's a dynamic reaction driven by AI. Wildlife roams freely, exhibiting realistic behaviors, Deer graze in meadows, predators hunt their prey, and each animal follows its own set of instincts and routines, making the world feel truly alive. Crowds of people bustle through city streets, each with their own unique routines and interactions. You might see a street performer drawing a crowd, vendors selling their wares, and pedestrians going about their daily lives, all thanks to sophisticated AI systems. This level of environmental detail and dynamism is now possible thanks to AI. The technology allows for the creation of worlds that are not only visually stunning, but also rich in interactivity and depth.
AI-driven algorithms can simulate complex systems, creating environments that feel dynamic and believable. These systems can manage everything from the weather to the economy, making the game world feel like a living, breathing entity. This means that the world around you reacts to your actions and decisions in a way that feels natural and immersive. If you cause a disturbance, the environment and its inhabitants will respond accordingly, adding layers of depth to your experience. For example, imagine playing a stealth game where the AI controls the movements of guards patrolling a facility. These guards aren't just following preset paths. They're actively scanning their surroundings, communicating with each other, and adapting to your tactics. The guards' patrol routes, their awareness of their surroundings, and their responses to suspicious activity are all determined by AI algorithms. This makes each encounter unique and challenging, requiring you to think on your feet.
This creates a more challenging and rewarding gameplay experience, as you must carefully plan your moves and avoid detection. The AI ensures that no two attempts to infiltrate the facility will play out the same way, keeping you on your toes. But AI's impact on environments goes beyond just making them look pretty. It fundamentally changes how we interact with the game world, making it more responsive and engaging. AI can be used to create dynamic weather systems, realistic traffic patterns, and even social interactions among NPCs. Imagine a game where a sudden storm can change the entire landscape, affecting visibility and the behavior of both wildlife and NPCs, and even procedurally generated environments that change and evolve over time. These landscapes are not static. They grow and adapt based on your actions and the passage of time, offering endless possibilities for exploration. This means that no two playthroughs of a game will ever be the same, adding a whole new level of replayability to our favorite titles. Each time you start a new game, you'll encounter different challenges, opportunities, and stories, making every experience unique and memorable. Furthermore, AI can imbue NPCs with unique personalities and backstories, making your interactions with them more meaningful. You might form alliances, make enemies, or even influence the course of their lives based on your decisions. The choices you make can have far-reaching consequences, altering the game world in significant ways. This level of interactivity ensures that your journey through the game is truly your own, shaped by your actions and decisions. In essence, AI transforms video games into living worlds that are constantly evolving. It enhances the realism, depth, and complexity of these digital landscapes, making them more immersive and engaging than ever before. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, the future of gaming looks incredibly exciting. With AI at the helm, the possibilities are endless, and the worlds we create will be limited only by our imagination.
We've all been there, stuck on a particularly challenging level, feeling frustrated and ready to throw in the towel.
On the flip side, sometimes games can feel too easy, lacking the challenge that keeps us engaged.
AI is changing that by creating a more personalized and balanced gaming experience for everyone. Adaptive difficulty, powered by AI, is a game changer. This technology allows games to adjust their difficulty level in real time based on the player's skill and performance.
If you're breezing through a level, the game might throw in tougher enemies, more complex puzzles, or limit your resources.
Struggling to make progress, the game can subtly ease up the difficulty, providing hints, weakening enemies, or offering more health pickups.
The beauty of adaptive difficulty is that it happens seamlessly in the background, ensuring that you're always facing a challenge that's just right for you. This means that players of all skill levels can enjoy the game without feeling overwhelmed or bored. AI is helping to create a more inclusive gaming landscape where everyone can experience the joy and satisfaction of conquering a challenge regardless of their gaming prowess. Prepare to have your minds blown because AI is about to change how we see video games. We're talking graphics so real, you'll forget you're holding a controller. AI is stepping in to help artists create breathtaking visuals that were once impossible to achieve.
One of the most significant areas where AI is making its mark is in the realm of graphics and animation. Creating realistic graphics in video games is a painstakingly detailed process. Artists spend countless hours crafting textures, modeling characters, and animating movements. But AI is stepping in to lend a hand, or rather, a processing unit.
AI algorithms can analyze real-world images and videos to learn how light interacts with different materials, how fabrics drape over objects, and how humans move naturally. This information is then used to generate incredibly realistic graphics and animations in video games.
We're talking lifelike hair that flows and bounces, clothing that wrinkles and folds realistically, and facial expressions that convey a wide range of emotions.
As we stand on the precipice of this exciting new era in gaming, one thing is clear. AI is not just a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in how games are designed, developed, and experienced. The future of gaming is inextricably intertwined with the evolution of AI, and the possibilities are as limitless as our imaginations. From creating more realistic and responsive game worlds to developing characters that can learn and adapt to players' actions, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of the gaming experience. Imagine a game where the storyline evolves based on your decisions, or where the game environment changes dynamically to keep you engaged. This is the power of AI in gaming.
Imagine a world where games are not just forms of entertainment, but also powerful tools for education, training, and even therapy. AI-powered games could create personalized learning experiences, simulating complex scenarios for professional training, or even helping individuals overcome real-world phobias in safe, virtual environments. For instance, students could explore historical events through interactive simulations, making learning more engaging and effective. Professionals could practice high-stakes scenarios in a risk-free virtual setting, enhancing their skills and preparedness. And for those dealing with mental health issues, AI-driven games could offer therapeutic experiences tailored to their specific needs, providing support and relief in ways traditional methods cannot.
The lines between games and reality will continue to blur, opening up a world of possibilities we can only begin to imagine. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR technologies powered by AI, will create immersive experiences that blend the digital and physical worlds seamlessly. Picture walking down the street and encountering virtual characters or objects that interact with you in real time, or playing a game that uses your actual surroundings as part of the gameplay. These advancements will not only transform how we play games, but also how we interact with the world around us.
Of course, with any new technology, there are challenges to overcome. Ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly in game development is crucial. We need to be mindful of issues like bias in AI algorithms, data privacy, and the potential impact of AI on the job market for game developers. It's essential to establish guidelines and best practices to ensure that AI is used to enhance the gaming experience without compromising ethical standards. This includes addressing concerns about the transparency of AI decision-making processes, ensuring that data used to train AI models is collected and used responsibly, and considering the long-term implications of AI on employment and society as a whole.
However, the potential benefits of AI in gaming are too significant to ignore. By embracing these advancements and fostering a spirit of collaboration between humans and machines, we can unlock a future where games are more immersive, engaging, and impactful than ever before. Developers and AI experts working together can create experiences that push the boundaries of what's possible, offering players new ways to connect, compete, and create. Imagine games with characters that have their own personalities and can form relationships with players, or game worlds that evolve and grow based on the collective actions of the player community. The possibilities are endless, and the future of gaming is incredibly exciting.
The future of fun is here, and it's powered by AI. As we continue to explore and develop these technologies, we can look forward to a new era of gaming that is more dynamic, personalized, and immersive than ever before. Whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated enthusiast, The advancements in AI promise to deliver experiences that will captivate and inspire. So get ready to dive into the future of fun, where the only limit is your imagination.